Hello and welcome to this instructional video. Today, we will be learning how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 121 divided by x minus 11 to its lowest terms. This process involves simplifying the expression by factoring and canceling out any common factors. So let's get started with this problem. First, we start with the rational expression x squared minus 121 divided by x minus 11. To simplify this expression, we need to factor the numerator and see if it can be reduced with the denominator. The numerator x squared minus 121 is a difference of squares. We can factor it as x plus 11 times x minus 11. Now the expression looks like this. X plus 11 times x minus 11 divided by x minus 11. At this point, we observe that the numerator is x plus 11 times x minus 11 and the denominator is x minus 11. We notice that x minus 11 appears both in the numerator and the denominator. Since any non-zero number divided by itself is 1, we can cancel out x minus 11 from both the numerator and denominator. This leaves us with x plus 11. Since there are no more terms to simplify, this is the final step. Therefore, the rational expression simplifies to x plus 11.